In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a ticket in Zoho Desk. This feature is perfect if you need to separate specific customer queries into individual tickets, making it easier to manage and respond efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Zoho Desk and navigate to the ticket you want to work with. Once you've located it, click on the Show Thread option. This opens the full conversation, giving you a clear view of all messages and replies related to that ticket. As you go through the thread, find the specific customer reply that you want to turn into a new ticket. Hover over that message and you will see an option labeled Split as New Ticket. Picking Split as New Ticket will separate that particular message from the rest of the conversation. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your action. Make sure to click OK. This step ensures you don't accidentally split the wrong message. Once confirmed, a brand new ticket is created containing just that reply. This new ticket is completely independent of the original, so it can now be managed, prioritized, and responded to on its own. This is especially useful when a customer's reply introduces a new question or issue separate from the main conversation. And that's it. You've successfully split a ticket in Zoho Desk. This simple process helps streamline your workflow, ensures every customer query gets proper attention, and keeps your support system organized and efficient. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Zoho Desk tips and tutorials.